So yesterday we talked about how we sometimes need to delete things, add things in, add a transition, and things like that. So today we're going to practice together. So I'm going to have you pause this video and I want you to read it to yourself. And then we're going to go down to each question and you're going to pause the video at each question, try to answer it yourself, and then you will I will tell you the answer after you've answered it on your whiteboard by yourself. Okay, so if you'll pause and read. All right, this question says, which transition word or phrase could best be added to the beginning of sentence 10? So you're going to go next, for example, therefore, or lastly. So let's go back to sentence 10. And you may have to pause the video and go back and forth so you can see the question and the answer choices. The one that I would choose would be C, therefore. And it says, I only get about a month and a half with them. Therefore, I must make every summer day count. All right, let's look at the next one. A sentence is needed to state the topic of the paper. Which of the following should be added before sentence 1 to accomplish this goal? So remember, today you are going to be learning about how it is important that we make sure we have a topic sentence and we know what we're talking about. So like yesterday's example about Donna's house. So again, that is in sentence 1. I can get away from the world for almost 90 days without worrying about getting in trouble for not paying attention in class. I could do whatever I want to. I don't have to worry about 500-word essays or worry about homework. I'm free during the wonderful season of summer. So which one of these would be a good one to let me know the topic? So pause it and make your choice, and then I'll tell you the answer. I think the answer is A, because summer is my favorite time of year. And then she goes on to tell us why summer was her favorite time of the year. Next question. The second paragraph is hard to follow because one of the sentences does not belong. Which of these should be deleted? So sentence 6 through 12. So this paragraph right here. I want you to pause this video and I want you to read here and go, which one of these sentences does not fit with this topic? Which one could I take out? You may pause the video and then write your answer down. So for that one, I would choose D, sentence 11. Sentence 11 says, I sure miss my cat. That has nothing to do with her summer and why she enjoys the summer season. All right, the next one. Which sentence should be added after sentence 15 to create the most effective closing? So we want to close and wrap up her story. So which one of these would be a good one to finish that story out? You can pause it and go back to the story in this video if you need to slide back a little bit. I think the correct answer would be B. As you can see, summer is my favorite season of the year. It just kind of wraps up the story. It tells us the topic sentence again. So I think that would be the best answer. And the last one, the author would like to add the following detail to the third paragraph. Where should he insert the sentence? So instead of taking out something that's wrong, we want to add in something that's good. But remember, it has to go in the flow of the story. So I want you to look and it says 13, 14, or 15. So the sentence, these 2 days are the worst part about summer. I want you to, I'm going to go back up to the story and I want you to decide, does that sentence need to go after 13, 14, or 15? You may pause it right now and make your choice. Okay, the answer is A after sentence 13. It says these 2 days are the worst part about summer. So let's read it all together. The fun suddenly stops when the month and a half ends and we have to take a 2-day road trip home. These 2 days are the worst part about summer. So if you're done, you may go to Education Galaxy and work on either of those 2 topics that I told you to work on. Tomorrow and Thursday, you will be working on a couple of these by yourself for a grade.